Hey friends, so something I found related to the Google experiments is a website where people are creating things that work with your webcam and body recognition for the experiments. It's called creatability.withgoogle.com, and the one I want to show you today and the one I'm going to give you a link to is this keyboard. So I'm using it with the mouse right now. You can change the instrument over there, guitar. You can change the way you want the notes arranged. You can change the note that you're starting on. And you can change how many notes, all the way from to just 5 for a simple song. Now here's the cool thing, the tracking. You have a selection of keyboard, mouse, and body. So check this out. Here is the way that the body works. Right now it's tracking my nose. I'm going to try to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. As you can see, it's trying to keep track of where my nose is and presses the part on the screen that corresponds to my nose. Now you can change the settings so that it works with different parts of your body. I'm going to change it so it's working with my left wrist. So now I can wave my wrist on the keyboard and control it. So that is this keyboard. If you go back to the, oh, that's the wrong button. If you go back to the website itself, experimentswithgoogle.com, there's more experiments to check out. But this one is really easy to use. One thing I did check is that the camera does not send its information to Google's servers. Everything is local. It says that on the privacy policy here. When I turn on my webcam, are my images being sent to Google servers? The answer is no. I checked that by turning off the network connection to this computer, and the webcam and keyboard in these experiments still works properly. It does not send the picture to another place in order to do it. It happens locally. Anyhow, friends, I hope you enjoy. You'll see some links down in the description. And that's all. Have a great day.